call Daddy because it's toy review? Call Daddy and say, "Hi, Daddy, it's toy review time." Can you call Daddy?
Hi, it's Ariel.
Turn around.
Hi.
No looking.
Hey, we've got jumbo blocks.
Wow. So that looks like a lot of work, Daddy.
It's like a multi-fold action to make them sturdy.
Okay, so we are in production phase. Look.
Look, my tower.
Yes.
Hey, look.
Wow, that's a big tower.
When Daddy is done, you can build a higher tower.
I need one more. Daddy, I love you.
I love you too. Thank you for that.
I'll kick you, Daddy. We're sending this, the air comes out, and then after it, the air is gone. It's like a volcano.
Okay.
Daddy, we need one more piece here, here.
Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one.
One more.
More yellows?
Yeah, more yellow. Here, here, here. And then it will not fall down.
Putting
Okay?
pressure on you faster, Daddy. Wow. That is tall, Torsten. Wow, that's taller than you now, Torsten.
How many blocks is your tower now?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
There.
Now, one more! One more here and one more there.
Did you know this was a DIY project, babe?
No, I have no idea.
I don't wanna talk about it.
See, I think Mommy
More tower.
purposefully gets toys for Torsten that she knows I'll enjoy building. So it's like a double trouble, double the fun.
Double whammy.
And then in my daddy's room, then I'll play it in the morning, okay? And then I'll play with morning with this tower, and then... Daddy, give me, just give me.
We have a fun building?
Daddy,